God spoke to me was love never fails.
To, kar mi je Bog govoril, je, da ljubezen nikoli ni neuspešna.
So you must demonstrate the love of God
Tako da morate demonstrirati Božjo ljubezen
to anyone that will come and hear what you have to say.
komorkoli bo prišel in poslušal to, kar imate za povedati.
The other thing is we must share the word.
Drugo je, rabimo govoriti besedo.
One-on-one
Ena na ena.
or in a family group
Ali v družinski
or in
skupini.
and this is where we'll change the nation.
In to bo spremenil narod.
And I see that technology
Vidim to
will
tehnologijo,
also prove to be a great asset,
ki se bo tudi izkazala za močno orodje,
because technology will take the word and put it out on the airwaves,
ker tehnologija bo besedo nesla na radijske valove, na računalnike.
and people that are looking for answers
In ljudje, ki iščejo odgovore,
in the remote places of this country,
tudi na oddaljenih krajih te dežele bodo slišali.
it will happen in Slovenia,
Verjamem to in verjamem, da se
no matter where you go, the mountains, the valleys,
na gorah,
in the west, in the east,
na vzhodu,
in
na
the
zahodu,
north, and the south.
na severu in jugu.
This is my belief,
To je
and
moje prepričanje.
we keep praying for this to happen.
In še naprej molimo, da se to zgodi.
Amen. Slava Bogu. Hvala ti, Jezus.
I believe every one of us needs to find a person that we can disciple.
Verjamem, da vsak od nas mora najti osebo, ki jo lahko naredi za učenca Jezusa.
You've got to find somebody that's asking you questions.
Moraš najti nekoga, ki te sprašuje vprašanja.
So if you don't have someone right now that you're teaching the Bible to,
Če zdaj nimaš nekoga, ki ga učiš Sveto pismo,
find someone.
najdi nekoga.
Amen.
Or start praying for the Lord to send you someone.
Yes.
Oziroma začni moliti, da ti Gospod pošlje nekoga.
Start looking with the eyes of love.
Začni gledati z očmi ljubezni.
Where 1 Corinthians 14:1 says, pursue love.
1. Korinčanom 14:1 pravi, prizadevajte se za ljubezen.
Start watching for people that have needs that you can love.
Začnite opazovati ljudi, ki imajo potrebe, da jim izkažete ljubezen.
Like I already shared, I really feel like prayer is so important right now.
Kot sem že govorila o tem, verjamem, da je molitev tako zelo pomembna v tem
If there
času.
were just a handful of people that got together every week and poured out their prayers before God,
Če bi bila samo peščica ljudi, ki bi se dobila vsak teden skupaj in izlivala svoje molitve pred Bogom,
you could take the map of Slovenia and lay it on the floor and lay on that map
bi
and cry out for it.
bi lahko dali zemljevid Slovenije na tla, polagali roke na zemljevid in jokati pred Bogom, klicali k Bogu
And pray in
in
tongues.
moliti v jezikih.
Because when you pray in tongues, every word you say in tongues is affecting our country.
Ker ko moliš v jezikih na ta način, vsaka beseda v jezikih vpliva na deželo.
And when there are traditions that have been entrenched in this country, it takes some real perseverance to pray them out.
In kjer so tradicije vkopane v deželo, je potrebna vztrajnost, da se to skoplje ven.
I really believe that the Holy Spirit just showed me some things
Verjamem, da mi je Sveti Duh
About
pokazal
you.
stvari o vas
and about what He's given you the opportunity to have.
in o tem, kakšno priložnost vam je dal.
Wherever I go in the world, people want God to move.
Kamorkoli na svetu grem, ljudje hočejo, da Bog deluje.
Whether it's a big place or a small place.
Ali gre za veliko mesto ali majhno.
But you have an opportunity now
Ampak vi imate priložnost zdaj,
to actually allow God to do something.
da dejansko dovolite Bogu, da nekaj naredi.
And you're at the infant stage right now.
In zdaj ste na otroški fazi,
Na vstopni.
na vstopni fazi.
And so what's very important is that you stay on fire.
Kar je pomembno je, da ostanete na ognju.
John Wesley said this.
John Wesley je rekel tole.
If you want to see a move of God,
Če hočete videti Božje delovanje,
set yourself on fire
se zakuri z ognjem.
And people will come watch you burn.
In ljudje bodo prišli te gledati, kako goriš.
On April 30th, I saw fires on the hills.
30. aprila sem videl krese na hribih.
We need to become fires on the hills.
Moramo postati kresi na hribih.
Amen?
Amen.
And when the fires hit us, the bells of heaven will start ringing.
Ko Božji ogenj zažene, bodo nebeški zvonovi začeli zvoniti.
You are not a small people.
Vi niste majhni ljudje.
It doesn't matter what the world calls you.
Ni važno, kako vas svet kliče.
You're not a small people.
Niste majhni ljudje.
The first time I came with my wife,
Prvič, ko sem prišel sem s svojo ženo,
I mentioned at the church, I don't know if it was in Ljubljana or in Centur, but I said the map shows Slovenia as the heart of Europe.
sem rekel ljudem v Šentjurju, da je Slovenija zgleda kot srce Evrope.
It's the heart.
Srce.
Now I didn't make that up, the Spirit of God showed me.
Jaz nisem to zmislil, Sveti Duh mi je pokazal.
So that means you're the heart.
To pomeni, da vi ste srce.
So out of the heart the flow life.
Da iz srca mora preteči življenje.
So why don't you start thinking like God thinks?
Zakaj ne bi začeli razmišljati tako, kot Bog razmišlja?
That through you,
Da skozi vas,
through this nation,
skozi ta narod,
He could change a continent.
bi lahko spremenil kontinent.
Not just a country,
Ne samo državo,
but a continent.
ampak cel kontinent.
Amen?
Amen.
You know, just as the blood goes through your heart and then pumps back through your body,
Tako, kar gre kri čez tvoje telo s pomočjo srca.
that's where the life comes from.
Od tukaj prihaja življenje.
So set your heart
Zato uravnaj
on
svoje
being on
srce
fire for God.
in vodi na ognju za
No
Boga.
matter what's going on in your life.
Ne glede na to, kaj se dogaja v tvojem življenju.
Say, Lord, I'm going to be a flame burning on a hill.
Reci, Gospod, jaz bom ta ogenj, ki gori na hribu.
I'm not going to cover up my light anymore.
Ne bom več pokrival svoje luči.
Amen?
Amen.
I'm not going to cover up anymore.
Ne bom več pokrival svoje luči.
I'm going to let myself be on fire.
Bom dovolil, dopustil, da bom na ognju.
Rakidune lahalachedu judune malachede machedu zurabe bomushtare milala chedu brazu nehalo tukura nacha baraketo lahaleno gakushara miporado savale pupure metale e prose mekiela puja natakus. For my heart cries for the people.
Ker moje
My heart
srce kliče za
cries.
ljudi. Moje srce kliče.
My heart is crying for the people.
Moje srce joka za ljudi.
My heart is crying and you hear my heart.
Moje srce joka in vi slišite moj jok.
Join yourself with my heart.
Združite se z mojim srcem.
Let my heart be your heart, says the Lord.
Naj bo moje srce vaše srce.
Don't let your heart be entangled with money.
Naj vaše srce ne bo zapleteno z denarjem.
I will provide everything that's needed.
Jaz bom priskrbel vse, kar je potrebno.
If you will trust me,
Če mi boste zaupali,
if you will hang on to me,
če se me boste držali,
if you will join me in my heart,
če se boste združili z mojim srcem,
the flow will come.
bo tok prišel.
And it will flow and flow and flow.
In bo tekel in tekel in tekel.
I will give and give and give.
Jaz bom dajal in dajal in dajal.
And you will see the life that I've promised.
In boste videli življenje, ki sem ga
When the enemy comes in,
Ko sovražnik pride noter,
call out to me.
kličite k meni.
And like a flood, I will answer.
In kot poplava bom
Resolute karedenje savote bragusha nadal. Turn your heart.
Obrnite svoje srce.
Keep it on me.
Držite ga na meni.
Join up with me.
Povežite ga
And
z
see what
mano.
I will do.
In gledajte, kaj bom naredil.
For from a wilderness,
Ker iz puščave
a great voice will cry out again.
bo velik močen glas spet
And a
klical.
great light will be seen upon the hills.
In velika luč bo vidna na
The
hribu.
Spirit of God will move upon the wind of the people and their voice.
In Božji duh bo deloval na vetru duha in glasu ljudi.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Hallelujah. Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, very good.
Thank you.
Hvala ti, Jezus! Isto vprašanje. vprašanje, ki sem jim postavil, sem Ashleyju postavil,
Same question
našemu apostolu, ki nam je pomagal začeti v cerkvi. How passionate we are,
Ne glede na to, kako strastni smo,
God still wants to affect our nation
Bog še vedno hoče vplivati na naš narod.
more than us.
Bolj kot mi.
Therefore, if we obey God's voice,
Zato, če ubogamo Božji glas,
He will lead us to victory upon victory.
nas bo
And be patient.
ostanite v veri in bodite potrpežljivi.
Every test we go through
Vsaka preizkušnja, skozi katero
is a
gremo,
test of love.
je preizkušnja ljubezni.
Why?
Zakaj?
Because Jesus said, love the Lord your God
Ker je Jezus rekel, ljubi Gospoda svojega Boga
and love your neighbor as yourself.
in ljubi svojega bližnjega kakor sebe.
On this hang all the other commandments.
Na tem visijo vse druge zapovedi.
So keep passionately loving God
Zato še naprej strastno ljubite Boga.
and keep passionately loving people.
Še naprej goreče ljubite ljudi.
And don't let anything that happens to you separate you from this love.
In ne dovolite, da vas karkoli se vam zgodi, loči od te ljubezni.
Do this and you will have a long and fruitful ministry.
Delajte to in boste imeli dolgo in rodovitno službo.
Amen.
Hallelujah.
Start.
One thing God spoke to me about the Slovenian church,
Eno stvar mi je Bog govoril glede slovenske
all the
cerkve.
believers,
Vseh
is
vernikov.
that in 1 Corinthians chapter 12,
Iz 1. Korinčanom 12
how every joint supplies.
pravi, da vsak del telesa prinaša, vsak sklep prinaša.
Listen in my heart, and God would say, go take this man to lunch.
Poslušal sem v srcu in Bog je rekel, pelji tega človeka na kosilo.
Supplying your portion.
Enostavno priskrbiš svoj delež.
There's a great future ahead for this nation.
Je velika prihodnost pred tem
My
narodom.
wife and I will be praying for this nation.
Ženo bova molila za ta narod.
The Lord spoke to me the other night.
Gospod mi je enkrat po noč
Said,
govoril,
I'm giving you a larger prayer assignment,
dajem ti večjo molitveno nalogo.
and I know it will produce fruit.
In vem, da bo prineslo
I
sam.
know it will cause something in the spirit to
Vem,
happen.
da bo povzročil, da se nekaj v duhu
Like
dogaja.
Veronica said, it will stir up some things.
Kakor je Veronica rekla, da bo razumel,
You know, when
Outpouring, Father, revive, restore, encourage, strengthen, Father.